Hi, I wanted to do a quick tutorial for SquareSpace when you are adding a video to SquareSpace that is 9 by 16. It is very frustrating because when you add the video, it adds it as a 16 by 9, like a YouTube video. But most things for UGC are going to be 9 by 16. So I want to walk you through exactly how I do it, and then I will give you a link to a Squarespace person that I absolutely love. She has all kinds of coding hacks. And so I learned this from her a while back, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to make a quick video on how I do this for my UGC portfolio. So you'll need a couple of things, a little bit of code, but don't worry, it's okay. um, we're just going to put a tiny bit of code in there. So you will need an extension and you will need a code. And my code's a little bit different than hers, but it makes it work for my website. So let's get out of here. And we are going to do a couple things. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Chrome extensions, and I want you to find, let me find it, the Squarespace ID Finder. So go find that. It's a free extension because you're going to need that to find a number. So um, once you get that installed, you're going to click on it and you're going to see all kinds of numbers show up for your website. So you'll see section numbers, you'll see blocks, you'll see whole collections, all that good stuff. So what we're going to use, because I put my videos in a section, you can do this per block if you have a couple of different types of videos that you don't want to all be vertical. You could use it, just do the blocks, but I like to do it by section. So I am going to be working on this section right here because at the moment they are all 60 by 9. As you can see, it's kind of cut off. So we are going to go to, let me move this out of the way, custom code, and then you're going to go to custom CSS. All right, I already have this code in here, and I will copy and paste this so that you can get to it as well into the notes. But this is what I used. So for this right here, where it says Gen X Marketing Videos, that's this block that I have already, and I already have that set up. So I am going to just copy this whole thing. And I am going to do another one, but this time I'm going to go and grab this code. So when these codes are here, if you click on it, it will copy it. And then let me just click down here. I am just going to get this code. Move this out of the way. I'm just going to grab like literally this number right here. And I'm going to cut that. And then I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to get rid of all of this. All right. So see how that instantly changed um, the how it was set up. It went from the 9 by or 16 by 9 to the 9 by 16. So that code is what will help you make sure that all your videos are played the right way. Now, there's a little more to it, so I'm going to go into the edit and show you a few other things. All right, so from the code, we're going to come back in, we're going to edit because you'll want to, go add your block. So you can add a block add a video, and then, your videos will show up. Okay. So the other thing that I do is I go in once I have them set up, and I will add a custom featured image, and I'm just gonna hit replace. Not that I need to replace, but and then I already have my portfolio cover images already in there. And so I will just go and grab that, and then that will be my cover image. The other thing that I do, you don't have to do this, but that I do is I turn my player controls off, because they're all on, it gives this weird gray look at the bottom, and I don't like that. So I turn them off, because most people that are coming to your site realize that these are portfolio videos, and they're just automatically going to click on them, and then they will start playing. So you can also go in here. I'm not sure if this shows up on like for SEO on Google, but I might just put a description there and test that out. UGC video ad spokesperson. Oh, so I see. It's putting it down there at the bottom, but I don't really want that to show up. So you could do that, and I might go back in there and do that. I'm not sure. But that's just a way that I make my videos all vertical instead of the horizontal. So now I'm just going to go and save, and then we should be able to see it. Let me see. I'm going to refresh this. So we should be able to see it, and it should. So this is my live website. I need to go in and fix these. But yeah, so it should show up the right way. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I will help you as much as I can.